Europe is leading the way in energy storage innovation, thanks to pilot projects that combine new technologies, integration strategies, and revolutionary business models. I end this video. We will explore 3 outstanding case studies: StoreNet in Germany, the Orkney Islands in the UK, and the Eclipse project in Spain. Join me to discover how these projects are changing the energy landscape. Located in Bavaria, the StoreNet project integrates a 50 MWp photovoltaic plant with a 15 MWh energy storage system, BESS, using state-of-the-art lithium-ion batteries. This project exemplifies how the combination of renewable energy and smart storage can optimize energy management and generate new revenues. The results have been peak load reduction. The system has managed to reduce peak demand by 25%, which has avoided costly upgrades to local electricity infrastructure, improving grid stability. Participation in ancillary markets. StoreNet not only stores energy for internal use, but also participates in ancillary service markets, generating additional revenues by offering frequency regulation services, essential for grid stability. Technology innovation with advanced EMS, an advanced energy management system, EMS, optimizes the charging and discharging of the BESS based on daily market prices, increasing the project's revenues by 15% by taking advantage of fluctuations in the electricity market. The StoreNet project is an example of how the integration of advanced energy storage and management technologies can not only improve grid stability, but also turn renewable plants into profitable and dynamic assets in the European energy market. In the remote Orkney Islands, located in Scotland, a 10 MWh energy storage system, BESS, has been implemented to collect surplus energy generated by wind and solar sources. This project has revolutionized renewable energy management in the region, enabling a more efficient and sustainable use of local energy resources. The results were reduced energy discharge. The BESS system has reduced by 30% the energy discharged into the sea, a common problem due to the limited capacity of the island's power grid. This not only avoids wasting energy, but also maximizes the use of renewable generation, backup power supply. Storage ensures a constant electricity supply during periods of low wind generation, improving the community's energy security and reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Energy community model. Residents actively participate in the management of stored energy, using dynamic tariffs that allow them to optimize consumption according to the availability and cost of electricity, fostering a culture of smart and sustainable self-consumption. The BESS system in Orkney has not only improved energy efficiency and security of supply, but has also empowered the local community to become a model for decentralized and sustainable energy management in Europe. The Eclipse project integrates a 30 MWp solar PV plant with a 20 MWh energy storage system, BESS. This project demonstrates the viability and impact of hybrid PV plus BESS systems in the Spanish energy context, maximizing self-consumption and opening new market opportunities. The results have been optimization of industrial self-consumption. Eclipse has reduced grid dependence by 40%, allowing industries to store solar energy generated during the day and use it to cover demand during the night, optimizing energy consumption and reducing costs. Participation in secondary markets, the BESS system, dynamically adjusts energy supply based on grid needs, generating additional revenue by participating in secondary markets and demand adjustment services, contributing to the stability of the electricity system. Knowledge transfer. The project has trained engineers and technicians in the operation and maintenance of BESS systems, strengthening the local technical ecosystem and promoting the development of talent specialized in renewable energy and storage. The Eclipse project not only optimizes self-consumption and generates new revenues, but also acts as a knowledge catalyst for the energy industry in Spain, positioning the country as a leader in the implementation of hybrid generation and storage systems. Pilot projects demonstrate that BESS systems are key to efficient renewable integration, grid stability, and economic profitability. My recommendations are: incorporate advanced EMS to optimize operations. Explore business models such as energy communities to maximize social and economic impact. If you want to bring these innovations to your projects, contact me on LinkedIn. Together we can transform the future of energy storage. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and to keep learning about BESS systems.